Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions on the channel whenever I cover a small language model as how to run these models with the app on your mobile phone. So before I show you the app and show you how you can do that, there is one thing which is extremely important to cover, and that is that this is still a very evolving field. I'll be very honest, I haven't found a really good application, free open source for the mobile phone, whether it is Android or the Apple iOS or any other phone, which would perform flawlessly without any bugs or with a good performance speed. Having said that, there are few apps which are quite promising, they are evolving quite good, and this is one area if you're looking to do a startup, then this will be a good option. I think a lot of scope there, a lot of opportunity there. So if you're thinking of any startup idea, I believe this is the avenue which you could explore. Now, the app which I'm going to show you today is Maid. I already have covered Maid in few other videos where I have shown you how you can integrate it with Olama, which is running on your local server. But this video is primarily about totally on-device LLMs, which you can download and install on your mobile phone without integrating it with any remote LLM. So let's get started. This app, which is called as Maid, is available for Android phones at the moment. It doesn't work on Apple phones, and I haven't really found any good app for the Apple phones as of yet. If you know of any, please let me know in the comments. Maid is a cross-platform, free and open source application for interfacing with llama.cpp models locally. Llama.cpp is a framework and toolkit which runs C++ at the backend, and it accepts models in GGUF format, which are the context models, to be run on a local machine. You can also integrate with Maid with Olama, Mistral, Google Gemini, and OpenAI models, and I already have covered it in my other videos. Maid also supports silly tavern character cards, which allow you to interact with all your favorite characters. So the goal of Maid is that you download a model, or you just integrate a remote model, and then you download a card from silly tavern and do the role play, all private, all local. But I'm not going to show you the cards and stuff because that might be NSFW. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you how you can integrate the local model after downloading it. There are a lot of limitations here, but we will cover them. Now, before I do that, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into the data source with the power of AI. It is resilient, it is quite reusable, and it is quite easy to use. I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back to our Maid. Now, in order to install it, just go to Google Play Store. As you can see on your screen, click on install, and that should be up and running. I am using Android Studio, and I have the Android emulator up and running, which you can see on your screen. So I just created a device there with Google Pixel with Android, and then I have installed my APK file. By the way, if you are after the APK file, you can find it from F-Droid, which is a free and open source platform, and you can download that APK file from here for this Maid if you like. Okay, now I already have it running, and you can see the icon here on the bottom line on this mobile phone screen device in emulator. Once you click on that, this is what you would encounter the first time you install it. Llama CPP is already there. Now click on these three dots on the right hand side, click on model setting. From there, you see that there are two options here. Now, one is that you can click on this hugging face, and that is going to show you a lot of model choices. If you click on this drop down, which include Llama 2, then Mistral, 5.3 Mini, Tiny Llama. So I have already selected Tiny Llama, and then it is showing you the quant level. So whatever your system specs are, just select that quant level. Let's go with Q2K. Click on download, and it will start downloading the model, as you can see on your phone. Of course, you need to make sure that you have that much space there. And one problem which I have found out with this Maid app is that it is quite slow. Maybe it is just my device, but I'm using 8 GB of memory with this, which was the highest available for this virtual device here. So make sure that at least you have 8 GB of RAM. Higher would be really good on your mobile phone in order to run this model locally. So let's wait for this model to get downloaded and then we will proceed further. And eventually model got downloaded. Took around 10 minutes to download on my system. So once that's done, all you need to do is to just go back from here and then you can just start chatting with it. So just give it any prompt you like. So I have asked it what is happiness. So let's wait for the Maid, and you can see that the speed is quite slow. The user experience is not that good in my opinion. Maybe it is my memory. So if you have a larger memory than 8 GB, try it out and let me know how you go. So let's wait for it to give me the response here from the local model. And there you go. So I changed my screen resolution just to show you in a phone format. And you can see that it has given me the answer. The answer is quite good, not bad at all. But took a long time just to generate this. I had to wait like 4 minutes. Maybe it is just again my RAM. Anyway, so this is how you can use local models in Llama CPP. I'm more than sure now you would be asking that what to do if we have a model in GGF format which is not present in that drop down. How do we run any model? Now the bad news is that this option is available in this Llama CPP, but that doesn't work with it. I have tried everything, but simply it's the app crashes. So the way you do it is, let me show you how you can do it. So for instance, what I did, I just went to Hugging Face. I downloaded this small LM2 135 million instruct Q4, and then I went to the home page of this phone, and my apologies, I simply dragged and dropped like this. Of course, you can transfer this file to your phone if you are working on the phone instead of this. Once that's done, you relaunch that app. So let me relaunch it. And then you just clear everything, and I have already cleared it. Go to model settings and then click on load model and then select this file. Now you see that file is selected now, but as soon as I go back and then just give here any prompt, even just simple hello, and then I just ask it to do something, and let me go down. Okay, this time it is, normally it crashes. Maybe it's a demo luck. Anyway, so you see, yeah, it just vanishes. This is what happens. So it just crashes, and I have tried it out with lower quants like Q2, still the same issue, and I have tried it out with few other models like Phi and Mistral, but same issue, it crashes. Maybe it is RAM, because normally when apps crash on your phone, that is lack of resources. But anyway, try it out, let me know how you go. Now you know the way of doing it, so let me know how you go. And if there is any app you are already using which is not crashing, let me know and I'll be happy to test it out. I have few more apps to test out. I will be doing it and reviewing it on the channel, so stay tuned. Maybe we will find something workable with any model on device one. So that's it. I hope that you liked it. Let me know what do you think about this. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you.